Hello, everyone. We're back with another word list. Today's word list is the long sound I. Sometimes we spell it with just I. Crazy words. I magic E. IGH. And sometimes when the last letter is Y, it's a sound I. These are the four ways of spelling the sound I. Let's go do the words. Oh, yeah. Okay, so here are some words with just the crazy I. Okay? Pilot, Iron Man, idle, item, idea. Now we have I magic E, ice, fire, kite, nine, hike. Very good. Let's go do the next word list. Now we have IGH. Fight, light, night, lightning, right. And then we got IE, pie, tie. And sometimes when the last letter is Y, it's the sound I. Fly, spy, and blow dry. Very good, everyone. See you later. Oh.